See, see, you have to do it well. You get, because if you notice, you know, with the faint small, you have to faint like she don't crack your neck. You get, so that will get her reaction. If you don't do it well, Annie will suspect that you are pranking her. Yeah, so I'll call her. Immediately she comes out. Before she sees you, put the thing for your mouth. Annie, Anespa. No, wait. Annie, come now.
Ma, you coming?
Please, Nsika's neck. She's having neck pain. Yeah, she said I'm doing this video so that she can post it and see if she has people give her advice what to do. Can you help her, like, see if she can massage it? Yeah. How do you want to do it? I think it's a sleeping position.
But in the morning she was okay. Oh. What did you eat now?
No, it's not. I think it's sleep. Nsika, move your hand and let her do.
You feel here or this side? Okay. Oh, my mom used to do this to me.
Easy.
Oh my God.
What did you do, Annie? Annie, what did you do? What did you do, Annie?
I just changed it, Ma.
No, that was not little. Annie, oh my God, what did you do? This is Nigeria. What did you do to her? Why?
Ma, I didn't do anything.
I only told you to help her massage her neck.
See, baby, wake up.
Are you? Why are you doing like this, Annie? Are you? See,
Ma,
I know you have been cold towards Nsika since we came, but it hasn't gotten to this now.
Please don't do this to me. Wake up.
Nsika.
Ma,
Nsika.
please die.
What are you doing? Are you crying, Annie?
Please wake up.
What did you do to her? What? Touch her chest first, see if she's breathing.
Wake up.
Is she breathing? Hey, my God,
so
this can...
frightened.
Annie, what did you do?
Wake up.
You're in a foreign country, for God's sake. This is not your country.
Wake up in Jesus' name. See, baby.
Annie, calm down. It's a prank. Calm down. Sorry, I know if you hear this. She still woke up. She's still crying. Tell her she's crying. She's crying.
Sorry.
Did she still wake up in Jesus' name? She's crying.
Oh my God. Annie, sorry.
Oh, she's crying. Annie.
Sorry. Wake up in Jesus' name.
Ah, no, Annie, no, it was a
I'm
prank.
sorry, but
Nsika, no.
Annie, sorry.
Nsika came up with this prank, not me. Oh, I distance myself. Annie, why? Annie,
How do you do that?
this was just an innocent prank. Let's say her mind gone do come. It's like your mind.
I love Sorry.
It's not. I think Annie was so scared. It's fear that is making her cry. Annie, stop now. We are sorry. Sorry, it's not my idea. It's Nsika's idea. She came to me. She said she wants to prank you.
It's okay.
Ah, no, Annie, this
Let me
chicken
bring
now.
tissue for you.
Annie, it's okay. Wipe your tears. She said, wake up in Jesus' name. And you said, you don't laugh. You want to continue the prank. When I don't see vein for Annie neck, she already has vein. I knew. Annie, it's okay. Annie, sorry. Sorry, it was a prank.
Sorry, it was a prank.
Yeah, we were just pranking you. As I see that vein, I know. That's why I just know Annie won't cry. When the vein don't strong. And next thing, wake up in Jesus' name. Let's say if you don't find a last thing to make you wake up.